Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create 3D animation video using AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit this website pika.art, and after you have opened this website, you can go to this menu, and here you can describe your story that you want to create with AI. And I have already made a prompt, so I'm just going to paste my prompt here. Okay, this is my prompt guys. I'm going to ask the AI to create 3D animation. Okay, and then here you can choose the duration. I'm just going to choose 5 seconds, and then we can simply click on this icon to generate the video. Okay, oops, sorry, I'm going to change it to Pika 1.5 because it's free. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment. Now the 3D animation video is being generated, and we just need to wait guys. As you can see that the demand is high right now, and if you want to get faster generations, you can upgrade this PicsArt. Okay, and this is for the example. Okay, as you can see, I have created an animation using this PicsArt, but it's for 2D animation. Now let me show you. If you want 3D animation, just ask the AI to create 3D animation. Okay, and I'm just going to close it. And I have created this a video as well. I'm going to show you. Okay, this is for 2D animation. Okay, and we just need to wait, but I think it will be longer, so let me end my video here, and you can try it by yourself using PicsArt. Okay guys, I'm not only using the 3D animation video using AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.